Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing replacements and a simple tool, tweezers, because speed without care damages the nozzle. You grip the earbud stem firmly and pull the silicone tip straight off. This preserves the inner mesh. Once removed, make sure to inspect the metal or plastic sound port for wax. If you see debris, gently wipe the outside with an alcohol wipe. Do not insert objects into the mesh, because cleaning now prevents muffled audio later. After cleaning, set the earbud on a clean cloth and get your new tip ready. Now you move to fitting. Gently stretch the new silicone tip a little so it slips over the nozzle easily, which reduces tearing. Align the opening to the earbud nozzle, because correct orientation gives a seal for base and comfort. Press straight on until you feel a tactile click or firm stop. This ensures the tip is fully seated. Once done, rotate it slightly to confirm even contact around the nozzle. If it resists, back off and try again. Forcing it risks ripping the tip or deforming the nozzle. Finish by testing the earbuds with music. Listen for clear treble, solid bass, and a sealed feel in your ear. This tells you the fit is correct. If it feels loose, make sure the tip is fully clicked on or swap to the next size down. Warming the silicone in warm water for a few seconds can increase grip. If audio stays muffled after reseating, gently clean the mesh with a soft brush or replace the tip, because most issues are debris or a poor seal, not the hardware itself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.